you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jamie. I make videos on fashion, beauty, lifestyle, all kinds of stuff. So if you are new, make sure you go ahead and subscribe. And for my returning subscribers, make sure you guys turn on your post notifications so you never miss a video. I'm kind of testing out different upload times so you never really know when a video is gonna go up. Kind of like been trying Thursday, Friday, morning, night, trying to see what works best and what works best for you guys. So turn those on so you guys are always up to date on new videos. So I'm really excited about today's video because today I'm going to be talking about Instagram stories and how I edit my Instagram stories, little hacks that I use, tips and tricks, things that I think you guys need to know just as an Instagram user or just as a blogger, YouTuber, anything like that. If you're trying to use Instagram as a platform for your business, I think that it's really great to know these tips. We've done the how I edit my Instagram photos, how I plan my Instagram theme, all that stuff, but now we're getting into Instagram story and it's a little bit different. I'm gonna get all into why I think Instagram story is important and why you guys should be using these tips and tricks, but I have been told I do way too long of intros, so I'm gonna save that for the actual video. So if you guys want to see how I edit my Instagram story and all my tips and tricks, please keep watching. So I know that average Instagram users are probably watching this video, but a lot of my Instagram editing videos, all those things are kind of directed towards bloggers, YouTubers, business owners, people that are trying to utilize their Instagram as a tool and not just like a fun thing. I mean, it is fun, it can be fun. I think these things are exciting to play around with and kind of get creative and make interesting content for your followers. And before you're thinking like, oh my gosh, it's just Instagram story, chill out, it's not that serious. For me, my Instagram story gets probably 3 times the amount of views as my Instagram posts do. As you guys know, the Instagram algorithm has really just taken a toll on a lot of people, especially bloggers and people that are really trying to use their Instagram as a platform. I think people watch Instagram stories more often than they're scrolling through their feed because they want to see your real life, behind the scenes, and it's just quicker and easier to go through and you just get a little bit more. Like you can only post so much on Instagram, you get your real personality, behind the scenes, all that stuff on Instagram stories. So you guys can utilize these tools in any way you want. You can post whatever you want. I'm just going to show you the way that I've been editing them and creating these things that you guys have been asking questions about. So now I want to get into kind of the tips and tricks and the advantages and everything like that of Instagram stories. The thing that I really love about Instagram stories is that it doesn't need to be taken and posted right away. You could post pictures from hours ago, you could post pictures from days ago. You don't have any pressure that you need to post right in that moment. And you could even edit things, go into apps, create things, make things look cooler, make something a lot more visually appealing, and I think you just do a lot more with it than you can with like Snapchat. It's a lot more of a business tool than Snapchat is. Not as casual, but it still can be that. You can be casual sitting and talking on Instagram story, but you could also be posting things about new products if you're a business owner, or a new blog post if you're a blogger, a new YouTube video if you're a YouTuber. First tip is the app Unfold. Oh my gosh, if you guys have an Instagram and you are a blogger or anything like that, you need this app. It makes your Instagram stories look super pretty and appealing. I believe the app is free, and these are all the different layouts you can use. And I have purchased a few extra ones. I use all of them because they're amazing. I use them for all different kinds of things. If I'm posting a really casual Instagram, I will use this one right here, and I will maybe just put like something like this, and it just makes the picture a little bit cooler. I don't know, I just like the way it looks better than just posting the picture. So you could do something like that, really casual, nothing very fancy, or you could go to these different layouts. My favorite ones are the FF1 because they have these really cool like Polaroid pictures and these like film looking things, and you could even change the background color to black or white to match like whatever vibe you're going for. And they just have like a few more other things. You could do like a whole little collage, which I think is really cool. You can do all kinds of stuff with this app. I just think it makes it a lot cooler to add this kind of like border around it and kind of design, and it just looks a lot more aesthetically pleasing. So let's say I am posting this outfit picture myself. If I put it in this, it looks so much cooler. You could do like this, and then like maybe just zoom in on this one and get like the details of your outfit. And I think that looks really cool. Like let's say I wanted to kind of like talk about this blazer on my Instagram story, like, oh, love this blazer, or blazers from Target, whatever I wanted to say. I could post this, and then you could kind of like have the full outfit, and then in the back of the collage is like a little bit more up close of the picture, and it just like gives a different vibe that I really like. That is how I use the Unfold app. Now I kind of want to take you guys over to Instagram story. One thing that I really love to do with my Instagram story is kind of like pick a font and pick like a vibe and stick to it. So I love the typewriter font. That's my most used font. I use it for all my posts to make the posts look really cool, is to kind of like space out my text. So you could do a space between each letter and then 2 between each word. I don't know, it adds a little bit of something to your post. So that's not really like a hack what Instagram offers. You could do that for anything. I just think it's a really cool little tip to use on your post. I really love to do when I'm posting a picture like this is kind of like match my font to the post. So if I have like a picture that has a lot of blue in it and I want to kind of like make that pop a little bit, I will take this little eyedropper tool, which I love that Instagram has this, and I will pick up a color from the picture and kind of like make it match. I mean, doesn't that just look so cute? I love that. Also really love to do that as a feature on Instagram story is go to the paintbrush tool, go to the second one, and this is if you kind of want to do like a little preview of a post, but you don't want to show the whole thing. You want to put a little title first and then the picture. You could go to the second one and it's going to be kind of like a transparent paintbrush. And what you could do is you could just press and hold the post, and it's going to completely cover the whole page. And you could do that with anything. If you just wanted to write text on a picture, you could just snap a random picture and then press and hold, and then use the normal shade paintbrush, and it'll cover the whole page for you. So let's say I wanted to post this, but I didn't want to post the picture yet. I wanted to kind of say like shorts I'm loving right now. And it's going to be on the next post, the shorts that I'm wearing. So you could do like a little sneaky and like put a little arrow directing people to go to the next Snapchat where they will see the picture, and then you could post it. My last tip that's not really a feature on the Instagram app, it's something you kind of have to do yourself. I really love handwritten, like font, handwritten text kind of thing. So I decided to purchase a little stylus on Amazon, and I love it. And I think this is a little hack that you guys could use if you guys like this handwritten style whatever on your Instagram posts. I think it just looks a lot cleaner than when you use your finger. It's easier, and I just really like it, and that's like one of my little secret tips that I don't really share with a lot of people, so you're welcome. Okay, so those are all of my tips, tricks, hacks, apps that I use for my Instagram story. It's not super complicated, pretty easy once you guys get down what you need to do. And I'm sure there are so many apps out there and so many little tools that you could use on Instagram story, but these are things that I just personally use and things that I get questions about when I do use them, so I wanted to share them with you guys. If you guys did enjoy this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up and comment down below what you guys thought. If you guys have any requests for videos that you want to see similar to this, things about Instagram, whatever, YouTube, whatever you guys want to see, just let me know. And of course, subscribe if you haven't already. I would love to have you guys here. And also follow me on Instagram so you guys can see these Instagram stories. My socials will be up on the screen so you guys can follow, so we can stay connected. I've been posting a lot on Instagram story lately, and I'm really loving it because I feel like I can communicate with you guys, and you just DM me and we talk, and it's just really quick and easy and more personal than Instagram posts. Like, comment, share, subscribe, do whatever you gotta do. I will see you guys next week. Bye.